I think this is good enough. So, ito na. Ang ating pinaka-importante sa lahat. Inquire ata yun. Tabloid. Wow, marami pala. Wow. Dami pala. Wow. Initin talaga. Now, what is I'm exciting about this is, syempre, ito. I am a paper boy. No? Sa mga nakakilala sa akin, no? Yung ulam ko, pepper na may ulam, hindi ulam na may pepper. Sabaw, pepper na may sabaw, hindi sabaw na may pepper. Umiikim talaga yan. Last night, I had a meeting with my fraternity brads. I'm surprised. Nung umorder kami ng sabaw, naalala niya pa. Tinawag yung waiter, may kulang. Yung paminta po. Dahil itong si congressman nyo, ano po yung malakas po yan sa paminta. Alam nyo. During fraternity days, medical school days, alam na ang fraternity brads ko, how I love paminta, pepper, black pepper. Ito naman po, siyempre, chili flakes, big flakes. Kita nyo yung lalaki niya, malalaki yan, hindi yan. Agoy! This is my secret ingredient. Sobrang anghang nito. Grabe. May gulay yan. Aray! Gulay. Yun, kita nyo? Oops. Mahilig ako sa seaweeds. Yan, seaweeds po. So, ito na. What do you think about my yes. So loaded Spanish sardines. Mga kanami, ito na. Showing you off. Nanginginig pa. That's it. This is tea from Pontianak, Indonesia. Pontianak is a rural area in Indonesia. What's unique with that place is that's where the equator lines up. I mean, it's lining up with the equator. There's an area there. There's a marker that says the equator is lined this area. Galing. Pontianak, Indonesia. We had a conference there, and conference po namin doon ay patungkol sa BIMP IAGA. So yun ang mga ginagawa natin initiatives. Ibalik ang BIMP IAGA, Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, East Asian Growth Area para mabuhay muli ang ating trade, cultural, educational, economic cooperation. Natikman natin. Ano kaya nangyari? Mix with flakes, with seaweeds, with pepper, and lots of magic ingredient from. Sabihin ko na, saan yung galing yung mga na yun. Paborito ko talaga. Sige, promote ko na.
Yun lang naman yung mga main roads ko.
Pwede. Ito na yan. Hapon na eh. Mag-alas dos. This is my lunch and breakfast. Wow.
Which one po? Sorry.
Nangangagat. Masarap.
And then so, areas or needy?
Masarap.
Some areas
Kasi nilagay ko siya sa bread.
egg po.
With bread with. I don't know what's this. So, tamis anghang. Sarap, bakit sa bread? Wow. Kain pa tayo, mga kanami. Kuha na dito sa buo. Wow. Kahang. Kahang. It really bites. Yan nyo. Southwest monsoon. Wala na pong so much air outside. No, wala nang hangin malakas. So, ulan na lang siguro ang kalaban. Pero I've heard may super typhoon na parating. Bahana on some parts of Metro Manila. Wow. Okay. Kain po. Sarap. Plus siya. All time canister. Feel na feel mo. Yung lamig ng panahon, ulan, dyan na naman. Here comes the rain again. Ayos, anta. Mahaw. Ito. Gabi. The best. The best. Amo pa? Sobra? Yun naman. Okay? Bye-bye. Everyone. Safe, keep safe, keep safe. Ingat, ingat, ingat. Ingat, ingat sa baha. No, doon sa mga kababayan natin, if ever threatened kayo dyan, just tell us because we were gonna respond through our national line agencies, no? So, timbre nyo lang ako at may papalakap na ako ng tao dyan para yung mga tao natin dyan na tawag natin dyan, vigilant. You must be vigilant at this time. Okay? Ingat, ingat po, mga kababayan.